are the Zolli fruit drops. These are like little fruity troublemakers. Cute, colorful, and basically whispering. Go on, open us. You know you want to. The flavor hits fast, bright, fruity, surprisingly legit. The kind where you pause and go, wait, this is sugar-free. Really, these little drops clean your teeth while you snack. So you could have candy, but you don't really have to negotiate. These are delicious. They're keto-free. They're sugar-free. They're allergy-free. They're vegan. They're gluten-free. No artificial dyes, and they have natural fruit flavors. Perfect for school pickups, dance bags, errands, or that I need something sweet before I bark at somebody moment. The final verdict, these Zolli fruit drops are like a rare candy that makes both parents and kids happy. Sweet enough to feel indulgent, clean enough to avoid the sugar crash, and tiny enough to justify just one more. If you want a grab-and-go treat that's really guilt-free and genuinely tasty, this is the bag to reach for. This is a sponsored review. The product was provided by the brand.